Hello, this is a song called How to Treat a Mother by JoJo. Me and Touch a Girl. How to Touch a Girl. Here we are.
Poppy.
Paisley, stop here.
We all know how hectic life can be.
One, two, three, four.
So, you are.
I think I like you. I already do. Feelings can grow, but they can go away too. You're taking my hand, looking into my eyes. Don't be in a rush to get me tonight. I feel something happening. Could this be a song? It's satisfying, baby. That's satisfying my heart. You know I deserve that girl. If you want me so much, first I have to know. Are you thoughtful anytime? Do you care what's on my mind? Oh, it's so strong. It's dark in this world. I search, there's no hard touch, no hard touch, a girl. No hard touch, a girl, touch, a girl. But I keep holding back, 'cause I can't take myself. It's enough that show me who's right. Show me who you really are. See the time. Things are happening. But this be for real. I don't know right now, but it's not what we feel. We know how to touch a girl. If you want me so much, that I have to know. Are you thoughtful anytime? Do you care what's on my mind? Oh, hey, myself. Oh, you got back in this world, if you know how to touch. If you know how to touch, just touch the girl. You know how to touch the girl. I see flowers, conversation for hours. See if we really connect. And baby, if we do, ooh, I give you all my love to you. You know I've touched a girl. If you want me so much, first I have to know. I'm thoughtful and kind. If you care what's on my mind, oh, am I so awesome? To the far in this world, if you know how to touch, Thank you for watching my music video. Bye.